welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra. Like the channel, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for engaging in more videos. It's the continuation of the previous video on women driving a car and safe and women being independent. So after you get into the car, before you get into the car, make sure you do a circle of the car. The reason why you should do is circle or semicircle is that you should be able to know the size of your car. You're in a box. Mostly whenever ladies or anyone drive, the left side will have a lot of scratches. You will not be able to gauge the left side. You'll be able to see the right but not the left. Once you do the circle of your car, whenever you are driving, at least for 2 to 3 months, whenever you're driving, when you're learning, a new beginner, just do this. So what happens is, the size of your car will get registered in your subconscious brain, and the topography will be understood, and you will be able to drive your car more easier, more safer, without getting any scratches. You can get into traffic, you can park your car better, you can drive in heavy traffic also. So that will help you to register. Then next thing is, whenever you start the car, you will take the keys and on the car. So just wait for some minute, and then put your gear, put your clutch, and start the car. The reason is, the car is idle for so much time. When you start, the oil, everything will get accelerated, and see that the engine is smooth and it is ready to take off. Then see that regularly, whenever you are going to fill up your gas, see that the tire pressures are all checked. All the 4 tires and the stepney pressure is checked. Then whenever regularly make sure the fluids are checked, like engine oil, coolant and brake oil. This are checked. Then see that your vehicle gets serviced regularly, like cars, Maruti and all, 5,000, Volvo, VW, etc., like 10 to 15,000. Depends on the manufacturer giving you the minimum kilometers to get serviced, or 1 year. This is how the OEMs suggest you to get serviced. So make sure your cars are serviced regularly. These are the measures to be taken for maintaining your car and driving your car safe. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.